Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing good. So today we are gonna make chicken drumsticks. Yes, that's gonna be really crispy and really delicious. So for crispy drumsticks, here I'm taking 5 chicken drumsticks and 1 bowl of yogurt, half teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste or salt 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'm taking a bowl, and firstly we have to make the mixture of it. Add the yogurt, red chili powder, black pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, lemon juice. Now we're going to mix it. Now this is done. So now I'm going to add the chicken. This is already pricked by the fork, as you can see. So our drumstick will be very tasteful. It's already pricked by the fork. I'm gonna add these in it. Now mix it. Now we have to marinate it for 1 to 1.5 hour. Our coating time. The marination time is done. So here I'm taking salt to taste or salt 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, milk 2 tablespoon, and 1 egg. So firstly we will add the dry ingredients in this corn flour, salt, garlic powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder. Now mix it properly. We will take the milk and break the egg. Whisk it properly. It's now perfectly whisked. Now I'm gonna coat the chicken. Now firstly we'll coat the chicken in this dry ingredient, this mixture. So now, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now after covering it by these dry ingredient mixture, we will cover it, coat it with this egg, and now again in this dry mixture. Yes, so now our coating is done. So now our coating is done completely. So now I'm gonna fry these things. You can also refrigerate it, save it for 1 month. So now our oil is done. It's completely hot. Heat up the oil on high temperature. Then if you can see this, it's on low temperature right now because we have to completely cook the chicken, because it's now we have to Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we will fry it on the low flame because we have to tender the chicken. It will take 10 minutes. Now as you can see, it's done. It will take 10 to 15 minutes for each side because we have to completely tender the chicken. And we'll take it out. As you can see, it's so crispy and crunchy, and it's really awesome in taste. So this is our final look of crispy chicken drumsticks. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button and also press the bell icon so you will never miss any video from Cook with Komal. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Must try this at home and let me know because it's really awesome in taste and it's so crunchy. It's so delicious.